In today's beginner's guide, we will be discussing cream and liquid highlighters. I will show you how to take your highlighter from a subtle glow to that dramatic Instagram glow in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Start by applying your primer and liquid foundation as normal. Take a liquid highlighter of your choice. I'm using this fab kit from a Cork brand called Sea Witch Cosmetics. Dab a little liquid highlighter on the back of your hand and lightly tap onto your cheekbone using your ring finger. Once your cream looks blended, take a powder highlighter on a brush of your choice and lightly pack on top. This will set the highlighter in place. Then apply your bronzer, face powder and blush to finish the look. If you want more of a dramatic Instagram glow, perfect for a night on the town or to take some cool selfies, take your liquid highlighter again and apply a small amount of product on the end of a damp sponge. Lightly bounce the cream off your cheekbones, blending it into the skin. Then take your powder highlighter and follow the same steps again to set the highlighter in place. I use the same products for both looks, so you can see it's the technique and tools that make the biggest difference. Once you're finished, set everything in place with a setting spray for that extra staying power and skin-like finish. If you try out this look, don't forget to #GlamSquad, and if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!